The pager receiver from Bellman Symfon is part of the Visit smart home system that helps you keep tabs on your home. It alerts you with vibrations and colored LED lights when the doorbell or telephone rings, when your baby needs you, and if a fire or carbon monoxide leak should occur. The pager receiver works wirelessly with our full range of transmitters. Let's look inside the box. Here's a user manual in multiple languages, and a spare insert. Here is the pager receiver, a belt clip, and a battery. To get started, open the battery cover. Place the battery inside, and close the cover again. To test the radio connection, press the test button on the transmitter. The pager will start to vibrate and an LED will light up depending on which transmitter has been triggered. To stop the notification, press the red button on the front. Now the pager receiver is ready to use. That's how easy it is to set up. Here are some additional features. The pager receiver has 4 different LED indications. Orange is for the baby monitor. Green is for the doorbell. Yellow is for the telephone. Red is for the smoke alarm. And orange and red alternately switches for the carbon monoxide alarm. The pager receiver can be powered by one AAA battery and can last up to 2 to 3 weeks. When the battery LED blinks red, it indicates the battery is low and it needs to be replaced. Next to the battery is an eject button. Press it when you need to replace the battery. Or you can use a rechargeable battery paired with the pager charger. When the pager is charging, the LED on the charger will light up in green to show the pager is being charged. When it is fully charged, the charging LED will turn off. One charge can last up to 1 week. When the pager is charging, you can connect the bed shaker to the charger's external trigger port. So when the pager is triggered, the bed shaker will vibrate so you won't miss a notification while the pager is charging. You can have 2 bed shakers connected to the pager charger at one time. And that is the pager receiver, part of the Visit smart home system.